Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share black Masoor Dal Tadka recipe, which is very easy and I will prepare in a pressure cooker. And this is very healthy and comfort food in the winter days. So let's start the recipe. So here in the pressure cooker I have added 1 teaspoon of ghee and 1 teaspoon of oil. Into that I have added 1 teaspoon of jeera. Once jeera is crackled, I will add 3 cloves of um, 3 cloves and 2 bay leaves. Once it's all roasted, I will add 1 medium size finely chopped onions. Now saute the onions. Now I will add around half a teaspoon of ginger, garlic and chili paste. Here I have taken 4 cloves of garlic, 1 small ginger and 1 green chili. I will saute it until we see the onions become translucent and little bit golden brown in color. You can see it start changing its color. Now it has started releasing its oil and it has become little bit brown in color. So now I will add 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped. So to cook the tomatoes quickly, I will add salt. Here I have added around a teaspoon or as per your taste. Give it a good mix and I will cover it and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes and let's check it on. Give it a good mix and again cover it. After 2 minutes I have checked it and the tomato is almost cooked. So now this is the right time to add all the spices. You can see tomato has become mushy. So here into this cooker I will add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi, red chili powder to your taste. Here I have added around half a teaspoon of dhania jeera powder and give it a good mix. Because of tomato it has very good color. And now I will add half a teaspoon or less than half a teaspoon of garam masala. This is Punjabi garam masala. Now give it a mix and let it cook for another minute or two, as we have just added spices, so we just want to make sure that all the spices is cooked as well. Once everything is cooked, now here I have taken 1 cup of whole masoor, that is black masoor, and I have soaked them for 30 minutes in warm water. Now we will add it to the gravy and mix it well. Once everything is mixed well, we will add water. So for the ratio, if you have taken 1 cup of masoor, then take 3 cups of water. But if you want more watery, then add more water. And if you want a thick, then add less water. But make sure you add at least 2.5 cup of water. Here I have added 3 cups. So for 1 cup of masoor, I will add 3 cups of water. Now give it a mix and let it come to a boil. Once you see it start boiling, now mix it and we will cover it with a lid, and let's pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Now after 3 whistles, we will check. Now you can see the dal is really cooked and the water is reduced in size, so it's become thick. This is perfect consistency for me, so I will not add any other water. Now let's add some chopped cilantro, that is hara dhania. Give it a mix and it's ready. You can see it's ready in like 15 minutes. It's very easy, quick, and so tasty. So now it's time to serve. Now we can serve it with a jeera rice or a paratha. This goes well with the jeera rice. So please do try my recipe and let me know in the comment box. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.